Hello, you guys. So I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try to do like a color split like they do on the canvases. I didn't know what colors to use, so I just came up with something. I want you to leave comments so you can tell me what colors you would have chose or what background you would have chose and what colors to put on that background. So just let me know. I didn't know what colors to use. I didn't want to keep using the same colors that I use all the time. So I'm just going to go with it and try something different. Just let me know what your thoughts are. So the base is just the Craft Smart red and graphite. That's what the base is. And it's a color split, just like red at the top, gray at the bottom. And so the colors that I'm going to use is copper, antique copper. This is a lilac. This is going to be a champagne. And then this is a holiday green. And then this is pearl white. I have no idea what this is going to turn out like. So we're going to find out together. First color I'm going to use is the antique copper. And so I'm just going to put it here. And I'm going to do that the same for both sides. So this is just experiment, you guys. We're going to see what this turns out like. I have no idea. It's just experiment. Next one is the lilac. And what I'm going to do is just blow it straight up and down. What I said I was going to try to do is put two different cell activators on there, one black, one white, and see what happens. The next one is the champagne gold. And I'm very heavy-handed. I have to learn how to put less paint on these little coasters. And then this one is the holiday green. The last color is the white pearl. Okay, now one I'm going to use the white cell activator, and the other one I'm going to use the black cell activator. It's an experiment, but we'll see what happens with this experiment. So I'm going to get ready to blow it out. Not going to hear me. I'm going to give it a go. Okay. I have no idea what this is going to turn out like. I think I have some things in my paint. I do see a lot of cells popping up. This is kind of fascinating. Let's try to torch it. Wow. So this is creating even more cells. This is an experiment for me. I've never done anything like this before. And I think I'm floored. So maybe it's good to do these experiments to see what you come up with. Maybe you'll get something that you end up really liking. I don't know. I am very interested to see how this turns out. So I guess I would really have to wait until this dries. I personally think I like the black cell activator one the best. It just looks like it has more cells and the paint color is coming out of it more. But I noticed that when this torch hits it, it creates more of the cells bubbles, taking some of the paint off. And I'm hoping that I don't torch it. But it's taking some of this paint off of here. So to see that under color, like the red, the base color, the red and the gray, which I wanted to see that. So I'm just trying to see if I can get that to come through. And I hope I'm not torching the paint. I see a few spots look a little woppy. And I thought I saw something in the paint. I think I did. Ooh, I don't know where it is now. I think I see something here though. I don't think I got it. Wow, it is in the paint. Oh, I messed up the paint there, but I did get it out. Okay, everyone. I wanted to bring you down so that you could see a close-up of it. I mean, this is fascinating to me. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. I never thought to try this with the coasters. I just thought of it one day and I said, wow, why don't I try to do a color split? But I don't know what colors to use. Let me know in the comments what colors you would try on the next one as far as the base and the top colors. Because I wasn't even for sure what to use. And you can't even see the graphite anymore. You can't see that bottom color because it's almost totally covered. That's why I like the cells, because the cells are showing what the bottom color is, but not at the bottom, only at the top. I don't know. They're pretty awesome though, because they're different. And different is a little uniqueness, and I do like uniqueness. So do tell me if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will be posting some more videos very soon. If you are interested in these pieces, please email me at creativedesignsbyyr@gmail.com. I believe I'll put them on Etsy. I'm only going to do these two. I will sell them as a set of two. And if I get any more color combos that I might try or any suggestions, then I'll see where it goes from there. Till the next time, guys.